Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara. I love mascara. So the most popular video on my channel is actually a mascara video. I did it like two and a half years ago, so I figured that I should probably do an update talking about some of my more recent favorite mascaras. So this is going to be my favorite mascaras of the past year and a half or so. I just went and put on a jacket because I looked like I was naked and it was making me really uncomfortable. So I'm just going to talk about my top 3 mascaras. Now I should preface this video by saying that one, I used to buy mascaras very frequently. I would say one every 2 or 3 months. Every couple of months I would buy a new mascara, and I wasn't getting rid of my old mascaras because I liked them. They, for the most part, were still functional. So I was just gathering an enormous collection of mascara, and it just frankly wasn't necessary. I did not need to keep purchasing mascaras. So I've been purchasing fewer mascaras recently. Another thing is that I'm trying to change my makeup habits. I'd really like to go cruelty-free with my makeup. So far this has been possible just because I'm trying not to buy any makeup at all. So it has been easy to not buy makeup tested on animals just because I'm not buying makeup, period. Now I recognize that for the most part cruelty-free brands are more expensive. There are a couple of drugstore ones like NYX or NYX that is cruelty-free, and that can be found at the drugstore. It's not super cheap, so it is more expensive than like Maybelline or L'Oreal, but it is possible to buy cruelty-free makeup at a lower price. I'm saying this because 2 of these are drugstore products. They are not cruelty-free. The third is cruelty-free, and it is a more high-end mascara. So 2 of them are Covergirl and 1 of them is Tarte. I should probably take this out of the box. It's just such a beautiful box. I haven't gotten rid of it, so every single time that I use it, I like take it out of the box. But look at it. It's gorgeous. So this one is waterproof. All of my mascaras are waterproof. Now it came a bit of a surprise that I like this mascara so much because the wand is not, I don't even know what the terminology is, but it's not separating. It looks like it could potentially be clumpy, but it's great. This is a fabulous mascara. It's very, very dark and it applies very well. The Covergirl So Lashy, this may be my current favorite because it is so separating. If you look at the wand, you can see the individual fibers, and also it has that ball on the end, which ensures that you are able to get into the corners. So I love that one. And then the last one is actually also Covergirl. This is called the Peacock Flare. I was brought in by the advertisements, I think. I just really like the packaging. And you can see this one is also separating, although it is a little bit clumpier than the other 2. Another thing that I have to say about all 3 of these mascaras, which is very important to me, is that they don't make your eyelashes sag or drop. So once I have curled my eyelashes and I apply these mascaras, they stay wide all day. Today I used the So Lashy by Covergirl, so I'm just going to show you. I've had it on for quite a few hours already, and they are stick straight, and I know that they're going to stay like this all day. I typically use 3 coats of each of these mascaras. So there you have it, my 3 favorite mascaras. I'm thinking of one day doing a mascara collection video because I still have so many of my old ones and they still work so well, just to talk about which ones have held up and are still great over the years. I could also do a video about which mascaras you should not use. I think that would be really interesting because it's difficult. I find that mascaras really vary from person to person. Everyone has a different holy grail mascara. Everyone has different mascaras which don't work for them. So I think that would be very interesting to do. It's sort of interesting because in the past Maybelline was my favorite brand for mascaras, but Covergirl really in the last year or 2 became my favorite mascara brand. I mean, they really revamped their mascara line. Like, I had some of their most popular ones back in like 2011, 2012. I don't know if you remember their mascaras from that. I wonder if I still have any. I feel like I got rid of them because they were not good, but this is an example of one of them. This was like the Covergirl Professional, and I really did not think this was very good. I did not like their formulas at all, but since then they've really upped their game and I've been very impressed with the mascaras that I've tried as of late. That being said, I do not plan on buying any more CoverGirl products because they're not cruelty free. So that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you would like to see any more mascara videos, which ones you think I should try out, and if you like any of these mascaras. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. I don't know how I feel about this bun. Like, is it too... do I have too much height on top of my head?